Yep, we're at the movies. My dad is chugging away on taking the 67 Camaro RS SS apart, and I wanted to poll YouTube real quick to see what you guys think. So originally this car was black with a gold deluxe interior, and the debate now is whether to go black with the original style gold interior or black with a black interior. So I want to poll you guys, see what you guys think. So I'll hopefully try to put a poll in the video so you guys can rate what you want. If you'd like to see it black with gold, or other. So I mean, you know, those are the options that we're considering, but I mean, you could also do black with a white interior, black with a red interior. There's lots of options. So comment below, or I'll hopefully have a poll for you guys to answer it. But for now, I'll at least give you a walk around to show you that the interior pretty much gutted out of it. Now the dash is all torn apart. Everything is all taken apart except for the doors. There's still some stuff to take off of the firewall. So that stuff's coming along, and the back end is pretty much torn down except for the bumper, and need to drop a gas tank still. We need to take the glass out of it, but we have the front end completely disassembled, and that's in the basement. But we're chugging along. I also bought a M20 Muncie 4-speed for the car at Spring Carlisle. So now we just need to track down an engine for the car, and then we'll have all the big pieces for the build. We're hoping to put either a 327 or 350 in front of that Muncie 4-speed I have over there. So it should be coming together here pretty quick. Hopefully get this thing off to the body shop shortly. So I have some more updates coming on the 67 Camaro RS SS and the Misfit Split. So be sure to check those out. If you enjoyed, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget to comment down below what color combo you want to see on this car, whether it should stay original black with the gold interior. I also thought you could also put the stripe on it in gold on the front, or just no stripes. Just tell me what you would do if it was your car. Leave a comment and I'll try to put a poll in here also. So I got a lot of work to do. I'll catch you guys later.